Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to fix Mint Mobile keeps declining your card. Firstly, turn off your eSIM off, then on. Since an eSIM can't be physically removed like a traditional SIM card, you can disable and re-enable it to fix the issues related to data connections, text messages, or domestic and international calling. Secondly, check your coverage map. If you're in a rural area, deep inside a building, or underground, your signal might be weak or unavailable. Use the Mint Mobile coverage map to check your area's network strength. And finally, ensure airplane mode is off. If airplane mode is enabled, your phone won't connect to the network. Just look for the airplane icon on your phone, then turn it off if needed. And that should fix your problem. Let me know if you need further troubleshooting steps. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.